Welcome to our comparison of the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti. Both of these graphics cards are designed for high-performance gaming, but they come with unique features that set them apart. Let's dive into the specifications and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition boasts a higher boost clock speed of 2655 MHz in OC mode, which can provide a slight edge in gaming scenarios. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti utilizes the latest NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, which is designed to optimize performance and efficiency. Both cards feature 16 GB of memory, making them suitable for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The ASUS card features an axial tech fan design with 0 decibels technology, allowing it to operate silently under low load. In contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti is equipped with TORX Fan 5.0 technology, which is designed for improved airflow and cooling efficiency. Both solutions are effective, but they cater to different user preferences regarding noise and cooling performance. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a graphics card. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition is priced at $829, making it a more affordable option compared to the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti, which retails for $909. While both cards offer excellent features, the price difference may influence your decision based on your budget. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti offer impressive performance and features for gamers. Your choice may ultimately depend on your specific needs, whether it's the higher boost clock of the ASUS card or the advanced architecture of the MSI card. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.